Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. That way you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals as soon as they hit the lot. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of the specific unit or anything else we have in our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival today. It's a 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan, guys, with under 60,000 miles on it. As you can see, it is bright silver in color, and starting off from the front, it seems to be in very good shape. I don't notice any scratches, no dents, no rock chips on the hood that I can see anywhere. All in all, an extremely nice vehicle. It does have, this is a GT package on this Caravan, which is going to give you the upgraded rim and tire. As you can see here, it's a very nice 17-inch rim from the manufacturer. And the tread depth on these tires, I would say, is right at 75 to 80%, which makes it plenty of life left in those tires for the upcoming years. As you can see, walking around this, I don't notice any dents, no scratches, especially on the back bumper at all. It does have a factory backup camera located right there beside that license plate bracket. And guys, this is a Chrysler certified unit. Guys, it's going to give you a bunch of safety and a bunch of additional coverages for you, the consumer, when purchasing this particular vehicle from us here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. You get a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, a 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage on this, which is going to cover a lot of components, and we definitely can go over them all with you when you're in here at the store. This vehicle has also been inspected by our #1 highest trained Chrysler certified technician in our shop, and fully he went through everything on this to check everything from brakes to tire depth to any hose, all the hoses, make sure no hoses are leaking. They have to be replaced to become Chrysler certified. So this vehicle is basically a brand new vehicle when it comes to the used vehicle market. It also comes with a Carfax. It also comes with rental car coverage. It also comes with additional service features, which is a list will go on and on and on with this. So it's definitely a must when it comes to having a Chrysler certified vehicle, especially in the Dodge Caravan. You definitely get a lot of bang for your buck. Automatic overhead headlighting. As you can see, it does have power side mirrors, power windows, and power locks. Power seat with power lumbar. This is a leather seat, and as you can see, it's in very good condition. Automatic overhead headlighting, which I think I've already mentioned. And it does have you up here on the top, these top 2 buttons here. You can program your phone directly into this van. You no longer have to worry about reaching for your phone while driving down the road. Great safety feature. Simply hit the phone button, carry on the conversation directly through your speaker system without ever taking your hands off the steering wheel. These 4 buttons down here below are going to operate your instrument cluster located here in the center of your dash. Going to show you all the functions of your vehicle while it's running. Cruise control on the right, and all your hands-free capability on the back of the steering wheel. What that is, it'll operate your radio, it'll change your radio station, it'll increase the volume or decrease the volume on your radio, which is another really nice feature. Universal garage door openers above the driver's seat. Three different garage door openers can be programmed in with that. Very nice touchscreen radio with AM, FM. Also with that Chrysler certified program, you do get a free subscription to satellite radio, which this vehicle does have. And this whole entire screen is all touchscreen. Really nice feature. Underneath that, we have dual climate controls for the driver's side and the passenger side. As you can see there, they can be synced together. This particular vehicle does have heated seats for your front driver and passenger with a high and a low setting. Plenty of cubby holes. It does have a 12-volt DC charger, actually 2 of them down here, cup holders, and another small one right there beside it. Just like the driver's side, the passenger seat seems to be in very good condition. And another cool feature that you can operate from the front of this vehicle is I can open all the sliding doors in the rear along with the rear hatch by a simple push of a button, just like that. Everybody can get in, everybody can get out. You can also do that from the remote. Stow and go seating down here below. These chairs can be stowed down into the floor, or you can use this compartment underneath here for storage if you'd like. Rear heat and AC, so it can be operated from the rear, located right there. As you can see, the back seems to be in very, very good condition. No rips, no tears anywhere that I can see. And the floor seems to be stain free and clean. onto the back, we do have a large storage compartment down here below, as you can see, and this bench also does lay flat into the floor, so if you need a larger storage area for any reason you're not using that rear bench, that can be done. Simple push button, just like that, and your hatch will close. Same with your rear sliding doors. Simply pull the lever and the door will shut for you. Once again, extremely nice Dodge Caravan, Chrysler certified, gives you a bunch of additional features with this. This is a GT 2018 Grand Caravan with under 60,000 miles on it, leather interior, touchscreen radio, rear AC and heat, heated front seats, and much more. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of the specific unit or anything else we have on the lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com.